taking so long, guys, to feed him as many as I'm supposed to be feeding him because they're so hard to find inside of this little this brown shit. They give it like this mealworm sauce. It's right there. Get him. It's just freaking wicked the way he eats them, devours them. I think it's freaking awesome. I think you're all out, Reptar. I don't think there's any more in here. So now, there's a big difference though between giving him some of those and giving him some fine crickets. So let's see if we can catch a couple in here. None there. There's one. Two. Three. Babies. Everything smells moldy. This is why so many people don't like crickets, is because they freaking stink. They stink bad. There we go. So, I give them some crickets. Big difference, like I said. So you give him the cricket, not even interested. He's like, dude, if it ain't superworm, I don't want it. My reptile is bad and bougie. But he's gonna have to stay that way. Because I breed the crickets, I don't breed the superworms. And on top of that, superworms are kind of expensive as well. I mean, they both are crickets and superworms. But the crickets are a lot when it comes to price. Crickets are a lot more expensive. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. No way around that. They're just more expensive. Sorry, that's just the way it is. But I'm searching in here and I don't see no more mealworms, so yeah, he's all out, so he's gonna have to do it crickets for now. Plus, if you ever wanted to breed superworms, like, just look up the video process on how to breed superworms. It's kind of crazy. Like, it takes a lot of work, a lot of space, a lot of cups, a lot of different things. Every time it's feeding time, I like to take this rock out, because crickets love to hide behind these rocks and shit. But crickets are out. He'll eat them gradually throughout the day. But the main goal of this video is to get you guys to see Reptar feeding on some superworms. So, alright, Reptar, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.